Hello, this is a brief video that will introduce you to Pukeko. These are the options. As you can see, you can choose an input file or a directory. You also have to choose an output file. You can also print in order to see what Pukeko is reading, and you have the hot words option that will show you all the rows that contain hot words. In this case, hot words for us are words like password, admin, /n, key, administrator, or sysadmin. You can also set up a minimum length and a maximum length for each word. Let me delete this output file that I created before. And Pukeko works this way. You have to set up an input file. I will choose this time the whole folder here. An output file, which we will call out.txt, and we can run it. And while Pukeko iterates the whole folder, you can see how many words were taken just once for each file. As you can see, it can read PowerPoint, but also images, PDF, and doc files. And in the end, you will have out.txt, which is in this case the word list we're going to generate, and this time it took 198 words. We can also use the option print in order to see what Pukeko can see. We are going to see this PDF right now, which is the guide from a router, and I can set the output file out as before with option print. We can see what Pukeko is reading. We can also use the option hot words, and here we have the row number, and he found password word here and password again here, key, and this is Pukeko and how it works. Thank you for watching.